How to fix MSVCP140.dll not found or missing error. First step, search for control panel, click it, click uninstall a program, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++, click it and click change, click repair, wait for some time. Once complete after, do it for 86-bit, click change, click repair. After completing, close it and come to next step, install Microsoft Visual C++. For this, open up browser, go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version, depends on your device, click it and install it. Once the installation is complete, after you need to restart your device. After move on with next step, search for cmd, command prompt, right click, click run as administrative and type the following text, sfc space / scan now, click enter, wait for some time, it's scanning and verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once completing 100%, it will shows the corrupted file location and the corrupted file. There is no corrupted file available in this system. After that, type exit and restart your device. Thank you.